Greetings, Doctor. I'm Dashaayinie Rajendren, S55538. So, a little bit about me. I'm a 22-year-old from Kuala Lumpur, currently pursuing my degree of Bachelor of Science Chemical Science with Honours program at UMT. I have a small family as I'm an only child for my parents. For this assignment, the topic I have chosen is Directions in Lattice Planes and Miller Indices. So, in the discussion of why do I like this topic, I think this topic is very easy to understand. Secondly, this topic is very interesting as it is very much applicable in real life. And thirdly, if I'm being very honest, this topic can also be explained very briefly. Moving into lattice directions, first thing first, it is very important to know that lattice directions are in direct space and are denoted by these brackets over here. Next, to determine a lattice direction, it is very important for us to know the point of origin. In this case, the point of origin is right here. So, what can we understand from this picture? In this picture, what we can see is a unit cube with 3 different coordinates. The question here is, how do we get there? In here, the written coordinate is 1, 0, 0. So, moving from the point of origin, which is here, these 3 vectors, they hold the meaning of x, y, and z. So in this, it is clear that x is at 1. So it is also important for us to know that this unit cube has the length, width, and height of 1. This is 1, this is 1, and this is also 1. Thus, when the coordinate is showing us as 1, 0, 0, from the point of origin, we have to move 1 towards the x. As labeled here, this is the point of x, this is the point of y, and this is z. Moving from this lattice direction, it says 1, 0, 0. That means we only have to move 1 at x, 1 at x, and 0 and 0 at y and z. That means we don't really have to move anymore for this part as it ends here. Thus, this coordinate of 1, 0, 0 is the point at this area. Let's move on to the next coordinate. 1, 1, 0. This first one stands for x. This is the coordinate, the direction coordinate for y, and this is for z. So what we are trying to go here is at 1, 1, 0. That means we move 1 at x, and then we move another one in the direction of y, which is here, and 0 at x. That means the coordinate, the direction ends right here at this point. When the origin is here, this 1, 1, 1 shows that we are moving 1 at x, and then followed by another one in the direction of y, and another one in the direction of z. That means the point of coordinate is right here. So, I hope the explanation so far is clear. Let's say we are trying to go to this point over here. So our lattice coordinate 0 at x, because we don't really have to move forward on this way. It will be we only need to move towards this side at the direction of y. So the x coordinate is going to be 0, y is going to be 1, and z, since we have already reached to this point, there is no need for us to move any longer. So the z coordinate is going to be 0. So at this point, the lattice direction, the coordinate of a lattice direction is going to be 0, 1, 0. So that's all from me, Doctor. This is my reference, and thank you so much for your time, Doctor.